A very good morning, students. Today, I'm going to take the second chapter of your book, Snapshot. The second chapter title is The Address. So, before we start explanation of this chapter, I just want to summarize the lesson so that you may understand the theme of the lesson and you may understand that how to miss what happened in the story and there are so many things which you will feel that there is humanity. It is shown in this chapter that the narrator, when she comes to take back her belongings from the from her neighbors, who used to be her neighbors during the World War II, and now they have left the place, but before they leave that house, she had some relations she had means they were in neighborhood, so they had some sort of relationship with them. And narrator's mother, she had kept some belongings, some of their belongings with that neighbor. So the addresses summary, it will help you to learn easily about the story, and it is written by Margot Minko. It gives an account of the chores which follows war. We see what it does to humans and their behavior. You can feel the pain, grief, and mental torture the survivors of war have to go through. It is about the author's story, who is a Jew and returns to her native home post war after suffering many losses. She even lose her mother, and after losing her mother, she memorized. Often she sits alone and she memorized the days when mother was with her. Then all of a sudden one day she misses all those things which she used to use in her mother presence. So now she remembered that her mother has also told her about some of the belongings which she had kept during the World War with some uh, fellow, means some with one of the neighbors, Mrs. Dawling. So here we discuss in this summary about each and every thing, that how they had left that place and why her mother, she had kept or she hand over all the things to that lady. So it is about the author's story, who is a Jew and returns to her native home post war. After suffering many losses, she even loses her mother. Further, it is about how she handles the world alone after going through so much pain. Moreover, we learn about the world's cruelty towards people oppressed, and upon suffering from further oppression, she realizes a lesson in a tough way. She comes to realize that nothing is kept in materialistic things, and she gives everything up. Why she gives up the idea of taking back all the things from that neighbor, her old neighbor? Because she realized that all these materialistic things will remain here after death. As my mother has left everything here back, the same way I will also leave, she realizes. And then she made up her mind to leave everything with them, because those people, they had become habitual of using those articles. Even her mother's cardigan, when she used to be very small, that time her mother, she had knitted one woolen cardigan with the wooden button. Still she sees that Mrs. Darling, she is wearing that, she is making use of that cardigan in winters. So it melts her heart. She thinks, she realizes that they need these things more than her. So it shows about human pain and self Uh, Actualization. The address begins with a victim of war going back to her native place. It is about a daughter who returns to her home in Holland. She goes there to search for her mother's belongings after the war. When she reaches her native place, she does not receive a warm welcome. She follows the address she has on her. It is house number 46 in Marconi Street. A woman opens the door and refuses to identify the girl on the door. At the door, the author notices the woman wearing her mother's green knitted sweater. Thus, she becomes very sure that this is the same address where I supposed to come. Despite the author's resistance, the woman did not entertain her and closed the door on her. The author was going back when she starts thinking about the bygone days. She got the address from her mother years ago. After returning to her home post war, she notices a lot of things missing from the place. Thus, her mother gives her an address of Mrs. Darling. She learns that Mrs. Darling is an old acquaintance of her mother. Thus, her mother handed over all their valuable belongings, articles to Mrs. Darling to keep them safe. And we see after many years, the author thinks of going back to them possession to take possession. But when she reaches there, she goes back once again. On her second visit, 15-year-old girl, she answers and she opens the door for her. We learned that the mother was not at home. The author told her about her wish to meet her mother. The girl takes her in the house, and our author was very surprised here. She sees that the room was not similar, but the things were all very familiar. She started to feel so uncomfortable. She now had no desire to possess her mother's belongings. Thus, she leaves the home and thought of forgetting the address and the thought of ever getting those things back. Now, if we sum up here the address summary, then we learned something. We learned morals, some moral values, like humans and humanity is bigger than any other thing. The girl, the narrator, had humanity, that's why she left everything. But the people, those who kept her mother's belonging with them, they were asked to keep them safe, not to use. But they used that. So we learned the intricate emotions of humans like trust, hope, and betrayal, as well as the ill effect of war. So now on next turn we'll explain this. For next turn, I just make you write few paragraph based question also, and I want you to write yourself also. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.